Today I'm going to be changing out the center console latch on a 2017 Yukon Denali. Now this latch is busted so it no longer latches, and then so the console lid will just flop up and down. So there's just a couple of tools that we need to change this out. And first off, you need like a little plastic pry bar, and you pry off this bottom cover plate. And I had already popped it off. It was pretty difficult to pop off. You just have to make sure that you're prying and using force so you don't crack the plastic, and because these hold pretty well. And once you've got that off, there's just a few tools that you need, and one of them is you need a T20 Torx to remove these two screws, one on each side, that hold the latch. And then there's a Phillips screw that's on the bottom, and just need to take that out. Right, now here's the broken latch. As you can see there it is broken. So I said I got a replacement online, and I was very pleased with, you know, how cheap and readily available it was online. So here's my replacement. Off of it here. All right, as you can see, it's looks to be working like it should be. And if we compare the two, we can see that they're, you know, looks like we got the right part, looks good. So we're going to go ahead and get it installed. We've got our T20 Torx on each side of the latch. Gonna get those started. And we'll leave those a little bit loose till we get our screw in the bottom, Phillips screw. I'm gonna get this snug down. Once I've got that good and snug, we'll finish tightening up our T20 Torx screws. Okay, so now we've got it installed. Let's go ahead and give it a test fit. All right, perfect. Now its latch is good. I can pull the handle up. It stays secure. And like I said before, when that latch was busted, it would be bang, bang, banging around. And it was really bad when I had some blown struts on this car, and which made it really rough riding. I do have a video on replacing the struts on a 2017 Yukon Denali. You might want to check that one out as well. But so now the latch is installed, and the last thing we need to do is just go ahead and put this cover back on. And as you can see, it's just gonna snap back into position, but it's got a lot of clips, so we'll need to just kind of tap it into position, do another test after the replacement. All right, very nice. And now we can remove this protective cover for shipping. And very nice. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you with your project if you've got a 2017 Yukon, or there's also other years that this fits as well. So thanks for watching. Hope it helps you out.